Systematic instruction is a loosely defined term thrown into conversations about effective practice. Because it consists of two familiar words, systematic and instruction, we tend to assume we understand its meaning. However, there are important subconcepts embedded in each of the two terms that are inconsistently or superficially understood. At its basic level, the word systematic refers to an orderly, planned, or methodical way of doing something. But it also subsumes the presence of a system, which further implies the existence of a collection of individual components that work together to produce something quite different than each individual component or than the system itself. A baseball team is a perfect example of a system. Each player has its specific responsibility. The pitcher has to deliver the ball over the home plate with sufficient speed and accuracy to make it difficult for the batter to hit it. The catcher has to focus on the speeding ball and catch it, while ignoring the potentially death-threatening bat being swung very close to his head. Other players also have assigned tasks, each of which must be performed consistently, perfectly, and in a timely manner in order to produce the ultimate goal, a win. The act of reading also depends on the operation of a system that consists of an array of individual elements working simultaneously in different parts of the brain and performing their assigned tasks consistently, perfectly, and on time to enable us to read with understanding. The ability to read is not hot-wired into our brain. We are born with the individual elements involved in the reading process, but the interconnections between them and the programs that jumpstart their particular performances are learned through experience and instruction. Thus, systematic instruction in reading assumes that the teacher is aware of the various individual components that work together to enable her students to read. By identifying each component in the system, she can then organize instruction in small chunks and deliver it according to a hierarchy of interdependence among the components. When she understands the system of reading, she ensures that foundational skills are taught first, before more complex ones. Thus, systematic is a term that refers to breaking a system into its component parts and arranging the parts in a sequence that enables them to support one another to achieve a goal.